Tonight, recovery is underway in Wills Point after fast-moving floodwaters swamped homes and triggered a dramatic rescue. Good evening, I'm Brennan Gurley. Crews say strong currents and several feet of water made it a dangerous response. CBS 19's Ayanna Aird reports.
We're in Athens for the afternoon, and we came home, cooked dinner, was watching TV, and it started raining, and normal rain.
But within about an hour, the situation quickly changed.
We called 911 because we couldn't see out our gate, and we knew we were in trouble.
Wednesday night, severe flooding impacted several homes in Wills Point.
This one for our little town was a big deal.
Rhonda says water surrounded her home and also started filling in on the inside.
And it was just surrounding us. It was like we were sitting on top of a lake.
This led to a rescue she never expected.
A rope tied to the house from Pecan Avenue, and take one of my mattresses off my bed, and we rode a mattress out to the road, which was very scary. The guy's head was about right here. The water level was probably right near his chin when we were pulling out.
Wills Point Police says crews navigated through 4.5 feet of water with strong currents to reach the family.
Very thankful they got out and no one was harmed. The house can be salvaged. It's wet, saturated, every 2 feet up the walls, so everything below there has to be professionally dried out.
It's the master bedroom. The water line it got up to here.
Police Chief Long says no injuries happened during the rescue, and he continues to hope and pray for safety of all residents.
God only gives you what you can handle, so we'll make it.
Rhonda says she's grateful her and her family made it out alive from a situation that could have been much worse. In Wills Point, I'm Ayanna Aird.